Hi, Lisa here bringing you today's deal on the Magic Coat 2-in-1 Dog Shampoo and Conditioner. Now I got the chance to use this over the weekend on my two puppies, and oh my gosh, it's been so much easier to give my dogs a bath with this spray-on shampoo. What makes it so easy is how they designed the bottle. You could spray up, down, left, right, even upside down. That's going to help you get underneath their belly and all those hard to reach places. And you could do all that with just one hand, which allows your other hand to be free so you can massage in the shampoo. My dogs used to hate bath time, but with this shampoo, it makes it completely stress-free. And one thing I found out is that a little bit goes a long way, and the spray actually makes my dogs smell nice, fresh, and clean. This 2-in-1 protein-enriched formula works wonders on all types of dog hair, from short hair to long hair, even wiry hair. And with today's deal, you're going to get an awesome price. And not only are you going to get one bottle, you're going to get 3 bottles. So if you have a dog at home, head on over to the site and pick up yours today.